Question number 12, page 28, exercise 2E. A particle P is moving on the x-axis with constant deceleration 4 meters per second squared. It means that our acceleration equals minus 4 meters per second squared because it is deceleration. At time t equals 0, P passes through the origin O with a speed 14 meters per second in positive direction. So when we start time equals 0, P passes through the origin O. So we have particle P at origin going toward the positive direction at point O when times equals 0, and the initial velocity here is 14 meters per second. The point A lies on the axis and OA equals 22.5 meters. Okay, imagine the second point is here and the distance between O and A equals 22.5 meters. Find the difference between the time when P passes through A. It means that P goes toward A, pass it, and turn back again toward A. We are going to find the interval time between this point and again turning back to the same point. So this duration is important for us. Okay. Let's solve it. Okay, here we have initial velocity, here we have displacement, and in point A, displacement is same when it passes the A and turns back toward the A. Okay, it means that in both conditions, in both situations, we have same displacement, which is 22.5 meters. Okay, so we can write the formula S equals ut plus 1 over 2 a t power 2. So S equals 22.5 equals our initial velocity is 14 multiply t plus 1 over 2, acceleration is given minus 4 multiply t power 2. Okay, let's make it simple and summarize it. It will be minus 2 to the other side. It will be 2t power 2. This one will be 14t minus 14t plus 22.5 equals 0. Okay, if we multiply by 2, it will be 4t power 2 minus 28t plus 45 equals 0. Or you can directly find it from using your calculator. So it will be 2t minus 5 multiply 2t minus 9 equals 0. Okay, so you can find t1 equals 2.5 and t2 equals 4.5. Means that when it passes through point A, the time is 2.5, and when it turns back again to point A, time will be 4.5. Okay, so for this point, for this displacement, we have two times. When it goes past through point A and when it turns back to point A. So this is the first part of our question. For the second part, um, the total distance traveled by P during the interval between these times. The total distance, it means that we are going to find this distance plus this distance. Okay, so we should find the distance between point A and this point. In this point, our final velocity equals 0. We reach to 0 and then turn back toward point A. So we know the final velocity of this point. We can find this displacement and then multiply by 2. Okay, so we can write S equals Vt minus 1 over 2 A e power 2. Okay. So here at this point, the time will be the average between 2.5 and 4.5. And by the way, the difference between these two times, 4.5 minus 2.5 equals 2 seconds. So this is the answer of first part. So since it is 2 seconds, this interval, 1 second, we reach to the velocity of 0, and then we turn back toward A. So for both of these sections, we have 1 second. The duration is 1 second. It means that from 2.5 second to this point, we have 1 more second. It means that time here will be 3.5 second. Again, after 1 second, we reach to A, 4.5 seconds. Right, the units here as well. Okay. So we can insert 3.5 to find the displacement of this point, then deduct from the displacement from O to A, which is 22.5, and find this distance, this displacement, then multiply by 2. Okay, let's do that. S displacement of this point, it means that from O until this point will be velocity here is 0 minus 1 over 2. Since it is constant velocity, it will be constant acceleration, it will be minus 4 multiply t power 2, 3.5 over 2. S equals 24.5 meters. It means that from initial point O until this velocity, which is 0, until this point, so displacement equals 24.5. So from O to A, displacement is 22.5 meters. So if you deduct from 24.5, so 24.5 minus 22.5, you will have 2 meters. It means that this displacement or this distance equals 2 meters. So 2 meters from A toward the point at velocity equals 0, and then turn back. It means that the total distance traveled is 2 times of 2 meters equals 4 meters.